In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a sidebar in Google Sites. This comprehensive tutorial will help you enhance your website's navigation and user experience by creating an organized sidebar in just a few simple steps. Let's dive right in and transform your Google site, ensuring it's more functional and appealing to your audience. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the settings of your Google site. Start by locating and clicking on the settings icon. This icon is typically represented by a gear symbol and can be found in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking it will open up a menu where you can manage different aspects of your site. It's essential to familiarize yourself with this settings menu as it grants access to many useful customization options for your site. Once you've opened the settings menu, look for the option labeled Mode. This is where you can control how navigation elements are displayed on your site. Click on Mode and you'll see different options for the layout of your navigation. Initially, you might have your navigation set to Top, which places the navigation elements along the top of your site. We're interested in changing this to a sidebar format. Now for the sidebar, you'll want to select the Side option. Click on it and instantly your site will reconfigure to move the navigation bar to the side. You'll notice that it gives you extra space for more content vertically, providing a cleaner and more focused layout. A sidebar can be particularly beneficial for sites with numerous pages, as it allows visitors to easily scroll through more options in a compact space. As your site updates with the sidebar layout, take some time to view the changes. How does your content look with this new structure? It might be helpful to preview your site as a visitor would, ensuring that the sidebar enhances rather than complicates navigation. You can do this by clicking the preview button, typically shaped like an eye, near the top of the settings panel. This allows you to see the site as your visitors will, checking that everything looks neat and works smoothly. Lastly, remember that the sidebar layout is not only an aesthetic change but also a functional one. Consider how the sidebar will affect the ease with which visitors can find information on your site. It's all about enhancing user experience, so ensure the sidebar is organized and clutter-free, categorizing links and sections in a way that best suits your site's content. And there you have it, you've successfully added a sidebar to your Google site, upgrading both its functionality and appearance. Don't forget to save your changes and take a moment to explore other customization options available in Google Sites. With these tools at your disposal, you can create a dynamic, user-friendly website tailored to your audience's needs. Happy site building, and thank you for watching.